Okay, so this is Afsar, and we're doing a review of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. So we're doing a review of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. So here it is. That's the doorbell. So it's not in silver color. I just put it in white, off white. So here we have is the button. Oh my god! For the snap inside. Okay, so here we have is the button. Okay, so the faceplate, it's removable. It's a removable faceplate. Oh, and by the way, this button right there, that's a pairing button. That's the button, that's the camera. Those are terminal screws. I got my phone. Okay, so all I just have is one device. It's the Ring Spotlight Cam. I named it Family Ring Spotlight Cam. Okay, so if you want to set up a new device, press set up device, and if you can click on any, but I'm clicking on this is doorbell setup, so click on doorbells, scan QR code or barcode. I don't have any of that, so I'm entering it manually. Doorbell Pro. Okay, I've removed it. Okay, do all the other steps. And that's it of our video. Bye! Of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro review. And first, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro review. And right now, first impression. So I really like it. And it's sleek look and faceplate. I couldn't find my normal Ring Video Doorbell 2, but the only thing my grandpa found is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, and I was so happy. Okay, and that's it of our video. Bye!